County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ashley, or 9 miles north of Delaware, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Ashley, Danville, Waldo, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Edison, Baringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann and Bladensburg. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour, becoming west this late evening and overnight. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for Delaware and southeastern Union counties in central Ohio. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Powell, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for central Delaware County and the city of Delaware. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Dublin, Delaware, Powell, Sunbury, New California, Radnor, Shawnee Hills, Ostrander, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Alum Creek State Park, Stratford, Bell Point, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Warrensburg, Watkins, Kilbourne, Columbus Zoo, State Route 257 at U.S. Route 36 and Lewis Center. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 126 and 134. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Champaign County, northern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, southern Union County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marysville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Bexley, Plain City, West Jefferson, Mechanicsburg, Minerva Park, New California, The Ohio State University, Easton, Lake Darby, Whitehall, New Albany, and Grandview Heights. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 107. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 120. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour, becoming west this late evening and overnight. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Greene, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, and Union, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening ahead of a cold front. Some of the storms could be strong to severe. Dry weather returns Friday through at least Sunday afternoon when the next chance of thunderstorms arrives. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms this evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Delaware County, northwestern Licking County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, moving southeast at